BMW X7 2025 model. This is the LCI facelift. So now in the vehicle we fitted a Ghost 2 immobiliser. Now how this would work is if I go to start the engine will switch on, but I cannot go into gear. It will keep knocking back into park as part of its emergency, well, pass sequence. In terms of security now, I'm going to enter the password. Now we've set this for demonstration. You get the flash, plus you also get 2 additional beeps, obviously we've installed as well. Now on here, if I now put my foot on the brake and go to gear, it will now remain in gear. So this is working on the gearbox side of this. Now if you'd like something like this installed, give us a call, 0208 554 555.